prove that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we know that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So we can write 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. We can take here minus 1 plus 1. Then we can write 4 minus 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2. Now we can take here 4 minus 9 by 2 square and square root of this plus 9 by 2. Now we have to expand this formula 9 by 2. 4 square minus 2 into 4 into 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 whole square plus 9 by 2. Now 4 square is 16 minus 2 2s are cancelled, 4 9s are 36 plus 9 by 2 whole square plus 9 by 2. Now 16 minus 36. 16 minus 36 we get minus 20 plus 9 by 2 whole square plus 9 by 2. How we 25 minus 45. So we can write here 25 minus 45 plus 9 by 2 whole square plus 9 by 2. Now 25 is the square of 5 minus. How we can write 45? 45 we can write 2 into 5 into 9 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. We get 5 into 9 are 45 plus 9 by 2 whole square. Now see 5 square minus 2 multiply 5 multiply 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2. This is the expansion of a minus b whole bracket square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now 5 square 5 minus 9 by 2 whole square under root plus 9 by 2 whole square. Now here square and square root sign will be removed. So we get here 5 minus 9 by 2 and this 9 by 2 is already out of square root. So that we write plus 9 by 2. So minus 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 will be cancelled. So we get here 5. Hence 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. It is proved. 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. It is proved.